day. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you very, very much. With your help, I'm learning to be a good devotee. For your help, I'm chanting 3 rounds Japa every day. My parents taught me to play some melodies and harmonium, and I sing kirtan on Harinams that we organize. I'm very happy that I meet you in my life. You are very dear to my heart. I love visiting your pariknamas and singing kirtan with you. I think you're the coolest kirtan dancer and singer in the world. For all love that you give me. I sleep with your unicorn every night. You say I'm always smiling, but I always see how you smile and shine like a sun. I have your picture on my table, and every time I look at it, it makes me happy. Dear Gurudev, I hope to be a good devotee and when I grow up. Thank you for everything that you do for all devotees and for Srila Prabhupada. Please bless me to always remember Krishna. And please, take me to the spiritual world with you. With love, your